Want to move your crypto from Trust Wallet to your PalmPay account? Let's dive right into this super easy tutorial. First, open your Trust Wallet app. Make sure you have the cryptocurrency you want to transfer readily available in your wallet. Now, select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. For this example, we'll use USDT. Tap on it. You'll see options like Send, Receive, Buy and Swap. Tap on the Send button. This will allow you to input the recipient's details. Now switch over to your PalmPay app. You need to find your PalmPay receiving address. This might be a wallet address if PalmPay supports direct crypto deposits, or your account details for transferring funds. Head back into Trust Wallet. You will need to paste your PalmPay address. This is where you'll paste the address you copied. Double check this address very carefully, as mistakes can result in lost funds. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. Below that, select the correct network for the transfer. Using the wrong network can result in you losing your crypto. Review all the details on the confirmation screen. Pay close attention to the network fees. Trust Wallet will show you the estimated fees for processing the transaction. Confirm the transaction. Give it a few minutes depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. It may take some time for the transaction to be processed. A pending status will appear in your Trust Wallet transaction history. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the cryptocurrency should appear in your PalmPay account. Check your PalmPay transaction history to confirm the successful deposit. And there you have it. Safe and easy.